नमस्कारम फ्रेंड्स, सो आई एम बैक। आज क्या है आज अ बिट ऑफ स्पेशल वीडियो ऑन निफ्टी का करंट सिनेरियो एंड क्या हो सकता है फ्रॉम हियर ऑन। बट उसके पहले बिफोर आई प्रोसीड आई वुड लाइक टू थ्रो सम लाइट ऑन आज निफ्टी का गैप डाउन हुआ था, राइट? क्यों हुआ था? आई गेस सबको मालूम है। अगर नहीं मालूम है प्लीज डू वॉच एंड येस शेयर इट विथ योर नियर एंड डियर वंस. Put your valuable comments. If you like it, please give a like as well. So, DeepSeek is the main topic, the trending topic right now in Twitter or across the media, you can say. Clear? So, what is DeepSeek? DeepSeek is basically a Chinese startup which has introduced DeepSeek RI, an open source reasoning model designed to enhance problem solving and analytical capabilities. So in short, this is basically a substitute, you can say, or a competitor for OpenAI's ChatGPT. So you might ask कि ये क्यों competitor है और ये compete क्यों करेगा actually, right? So सबको पता है कि Chinese product is always very cheap, right? So in terms of cost of creating the product, suppose OpenAI's ChatGPT cost is ₹100, ठीक है, for example. So this Chinese AI startup DeepSeek, they has produced this particular product with ₹2. So just think the quantum of discount that one might get or the cost reduction in the production of DeepSeek. Clear? So that's the amount of threat the big tech companies are currently facing from this Chinese company. Specifically Nvidia. सबको आई गेस पता है, everyone plays video game, everyone is aware of graphics card as well. So Nvidia is the largest, or you can say a tech giant who produce the GPU graphics card, right? Chart of Nvidia today before the market opened, the Nvidia futures stock was down by 10%. So let us currently see that Nvidia ये कल यहाँ पे क्लोज हुआ था, राइट? तो वहाँ से ये लो कितना बनाया? 17.58 इन जस्ट वन डे. नाउ जस्ट ट्राई टू कोरिलेट कितना हो सकता है ये थ्रेट अमाउंट फॉर एनवीडिया फ्रॉम दिस चाइनीज कंपनी. So this is the reason why market was down and opened with a gap down today. Because on the other hand, if you see the IT index of US, that is Nasdaq, suppose if I type Nasdaq future, E-mini Nasdaq 100 futures, you see that yesterday, this is the daily chart, you can see, yesterday it closed over here, clear? Today it made a low around this level, which is basically more than 5%, 5.24% down on a single day. Though it has bounced back from this level, but see the quantum of fall in just a single day. This is all due to DeepSeek, which has created a disruption across this tech sector. Understood? So this is the reason why all the indices across the globe were down today. Even if we see Nifty, Nifty opened with a gap down. I'll come back to Nifty, but before that, I'll just try to show something on Nasdaq as well. That is very important. Then I'll proceed to Nifty and try to explain you कि क्या हो सकता है Nifty में from here on. So Nasdaq future. So I'm just trying to show you the weekly chart at first. You can see that currently Nasdaq future post corona period, you see that bottom was made over here March 2020. Since then lot of money printing, free money actually, all these were printed money which went into this IT sector, IT boom actually. You must be having lot of colleagues, lot of friends who are from the IT sector who got a salary hike of 15%, 20%, 50%, 100% in the last 4-5 years, right? Why? It's all due to this IT boom. All the IT stocks, all the IT companies were flourishing. But currently, do remember that ID stocks is going to feel the pressure from here on. You can see a clear resistance, and for the last few weeks, see, it is such a tough hurdle around this level that it is unable to give a single week close. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth. So this is the ninth consecutive week where Nasdaq has failed to give a close above this level. So this level is very very crucial. And if you ask me personally, I guess ये तो टॉप आउट हो गया, Nasdaq टॉप आउट हो गया, ठीक है. And be quite assured that IT companies in the coming years, actually in the coming few quarters at least, IT companies will underperform the benchmark indices. Yes friend. So this Nasdaq has a very high correlation with Nifty IT index as well, because going forward Indian IT companies will also feel the same heat that Nasdaq is going to face. Clear? So now I'm coming back to Nifty. So Nifty में क्या है? So I'll give a broader explanation at first, and I'll come to the micro part कि daily basis पे क्या हो रहा है. At first I'll go to monthly chart, ठीक है? Because it will give you a holistic picture about the Nifty index. So Nifty index, यहाँ से I have drawn one trend line, extended one ray from this 2007 high, clear, which extended, and there was a clear breakout around this level 23 December, and I have drawn a support from this low of COVID period, ठीक है. So presently it is well above these two levels. Now I'm just coming to weekly chart. So weekly chart में एक important चीज़ यहाँ पे देखना पड़ेगा. क्या है? Like this is a kind of, you can say, a secular trend line, because it's a multi-year. It's from March 2020 and we are standing in 25, so it's almost 5 years, half a decade trend line, right? So it has to be very significant. तो इसको respect तो थोड़ा बनता है इसका, right? So currently you see this Nifty 50 is actually just above that particular line. So ये level यहाँ पे, if you just extend a bit on the downside, it coincides around 22,700, and Nifty is currently at 22,830 or 29 to be precise, right? So it's just 130 points down on the downside, जब ये यहाँ पे testing level है actually for the secular support line, right? But ऊपर में क्या हुआ, like September में 23rd September, it was a clear top out, right? Let me just go to the daily. Yes, sorry, 27th September on daily. So it's a clear top out over here, and it's a clear head and shoulder, a bookish head and shoulder, you can say. First shoulder, head, second shoulder, and this neckline is around 24,000 in round figure, and the head is around 26,277. That is basically the high of this particular candle on 27th September 24. So approximately you can say it's 2,300 points approximately, or you can, in roundabout, you can say it's around 2,000 points, right? So ideally, as per the theory, it should come on the downside from 24,000 level, the neck, which is the neckline, ये यहाँ से टूट के 2,000 पॉइंट तो नीचे आना ही है, that is 2,300 point to be precise. So which stands to around कहाँ तक, 21,700, right friends? So 21,700 is around this level, which is again the resistance line of this red line which I had extended from 2008 or 2007 high, sorry 2008 high, right? So I'm not going to that level right now, because अभी थोड़ा सा क्या है ना, like a bit of relaxation you can get. क्यों? Because budget is knocking at the door. Budget सबको पता है कि 1st February, that is Saturday, market open है, right? तो उस दिन budget है and market will be open. So एक budget का expectation from here on we will see. Today it has given a clear breakdown from this good support level around 23,000, which is also a crucial psychological zone. So ये एक clear breakdown है from 23,000 level, right? But you know, RBI is playing some tricky roles over here. RBI ने 60,000 करोड़ का bonds खरीद लिया मार्केट से, तो उससे क्या होगा? Like market में, if RBI as the last resort, if they buy bonds from the open market, तो उससे क्या होता है? Like उससे liquidity gets increased, money gets injected in the economy. So that's a positive news for the equity market. Understood? So two things from here on, that is budget and RBI taking some steps which is beneficial for the equity market by openly buying bonds from the market. 60,000 crore का amount है, ठीक है? तो my expectation from here on in Nifty is that if someone goes for a short-term bounce back, I guess it can be a fruitful thing, because on the upside as of now, I expect that the upside level, first resistance or the immediate resistance that it would face is around 350, you can say. The high of this candle is 345, so 350, and that is also the resistance line of this, you know, downward sloping wedge, the falling wedge, you can say. Clear? So ये 350, the immediate hurdle on the upside, and on the downside the immediate support would be around 22,650 to be precise. So अभी ये बीच में खड़ा हो गया, and I expect that from here on we might see a bounce back from tomorrow, and if it breaks this level of 23,350, then the next level of resistance that it would face is obviously 24,000, but I don't think it would breach 24,000 and move on the higher side. It's just a short-term bounce back, or you can say a dead cat bounce, because market is not at all in a good state right now. It will be just a bounce back from this downside movement, or a profit booking, or you can say a short covering rally kind of thing. Clear? So immediate resistance 23,350, you can note it down. If it sustains above that level, 24,000 will be the level, and on the downside the immediate support is around 22,650, which is basically a strong support, a secular trend line, which I have drawn from the 2020 COVID low. Clear? So I guess this view of Nifty will help you in creating your own strategies. Please do share your strategies or comments. If you think that this is valuable, please do like and share it with your near and dear ones. Thanks for watching. Have a great trading session ahead. Bye.